everybody. We are going up to the woods today, and I can't hold the camera very still. But we're going up to the woods today to hopefully grab a pine tree or two from the pine forest up in the East Field. We've already gotten 5 trees from up there in the last week, so we're doing this in the early morning, as early as we can get it, because the snow is still hard, it's not soft, so we should be able to still get some good grip. I'm gonna give people headaches, I can't hold the camera still. Okay. But we got my Husqvarna chainsaw and the chain. By the way, I really like my Husqvarna chainsaw. If anybody's looking into getting one, I would probably recommend one. Alright, I'll turn the camera back on when we get up there. Now for the climb up the hill to victory.
I think I might be taking the lower path.
Oh, are we gonna get a tree from over on this side?
I can get one of these to tip forward.
Yeah. But anyway, we're in the East Field now. So
Park it here for now. Okay, Wilson Fink, the correspondent for Finklandia News, the most trusted source in news, was telling you about his Husqvarna chainsaw that he purchased last summer, right? I think it was warm when we went to go pick it up for you. And I heard him recommending this saw. Would you grab your saw, Wilson, and tell us exactly what model it is in case a fella wanted to go buy one just like it?
Okay, this is a Husqvarna 445 E series. 18-inch bar, and
You know, you spin around so you can see it in the sun. We are really contrasty this morning. Yeah, it's a nice lightweight saw, quite powerful.
It's very slim too.
We haven't wrecked it yet, so we can still recommend it.
Yeah.
All right, today, Wilson, we are working on picking some nice pines out of there to take down and cut up on the mill. Our long-term project for this is building a shed that will hold stuff that takes up space in the shop right now. One of them, that old International truck, the 1933 one, not the 1972 one, and hopefully also build sort of a lean-to off of that shed, and yeah, to house the sawmill. But all right, we're gonna head up the hill, try to find a nice looking tree that looks like it might fall out into this field where we can easily grab it without getting stuck in the snow. And we'll pull her home, add it to the pile, and maybe even grab another one. Stay tuned. If you don't hear from us anymore, we probably dropped the tree on ourselves or something, and I guess that would be it. Okay, Wilson, what are your thoughts? What should we do?
We could get that one, or this one's a really nice one if we could get it to fall right there.
Now, how confident are you of your ability to notch and drop that thing right where you want to drop it?
17.3%.
That's a pretty low confidence level. Can't do any better than that. I'm not sure a fella should start the saw with such a low confidence level.
73.4.
All right.
Except I still won't want to drop it.
So you want the old man to drop it, eh?
Well, I don't want to mess it up.
Well, I can't be confident I can drop it in the right spot either, but we better get going. The snow's going to get soft and we're going to be stuck here until May.
Yeah.
All right.
If you folks don't mind me bragging a little more on my saw, this is going to be a first start of the day.
Now, Wilson
Now
is
probably won't start.
just like any other guy who has purchased something, and
this is my wallet.
Once you've spent money on it, obviously what you've purchased is the best thing ever. You know, just like the guy who goes out and spends way too much money on a brand new Dodge truck. And the thing may or may not be a piece of junk, but you know, once you spent your money on it, it is the best truck ever. So, same thing with Wilson's saw. But I did not spend any money on it, and I'm quite pleased with it as well. So, Wilson's going to give you a cold start. You are in shadows, Wilson. I can't see you very well, but anyhow, we can hear it. You know, hearing it is better than seeing it. Here we go. You're in good, son. Let's go. Start her up. Popped on the third pull. That is. Oh, listen to her purr. Listen to that soft purr.
Alright, so he's decided to get this one. I probably should be standing as far away as the tree is tall, but I'm not going to do that, so.
Love that pine smell. This saw we've been breaking up just kind of died on its own.
Not sure why that happened.
Right where I wanted it. Good thing we practiced that 40 times yesterday before we started filming.
Alright, now the boring part. Let me into it. Okay, so this isn't necessarily the tallest tree we've gotten here before, but also this is a red pine. So, yeah, looks like he's gotten done down there. Alright. try for another tree. Classic, my finger right there.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Should I go now?
Yeah. It doesn't want to go the right way. It wants to go that way. I think I'm gonna have to set the camera down. Got a little thing rigged up there to try to get my saw unstuck. But cross my fingers, it'll work. Yeah. So we're gonna pull this log, and we got a rope hooked up to the other log to try to get some slack to get the chainsaw out. And then what happens to the other tree swearing. Okay. What happens to the other tree happens to the other tree, so. And we got the tree stuck up in a cherry tree. So now we have it retied. We're gonna, I have no idea what I was coming back up here. And I got the tractor turned around the right way, so now we got it retied. We're gonna try to pull the tree out of the other one.
Which didn't work.
Why did the tractor stop?
Broke.
Oh. So you cut a branch off a cherry tree? We're gonna pull the log home?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna have to come back because my saw's still here though. Alright, so we remade some plans. That didn't work. Obviously, I had it on camera. So we got a bunch of rope, we got a chain, we got a ladder. I won't be filming this part, but let's hope we can get it. Alright, we got it. I guess I am gonna end up filming, but okay. We got it all rigged up. And come out of there, tree. Yes! Okay.
And that, my friends, is why you save all of that big baler twine that comes off of those big square bales. Put it together, it makes a mighty strong rope.
Well, conclusion, we got it, and it's all hooked up, all limbed, and we're going home, so hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.